G'day folks, it's Tim again from Anglia. Just done a little bit of mechanical work on a little Morris Minor. We've done pressure tests and all 4 cylinders. We've got 190 PSI, which is really good, so I think it's a fairly healthy engine. Pulled the plugs out, gave them a quick clean, threw them back in there. We disconnected the electronic choke because I think that might have been sticking on. And she fired up and purred like a kitten, so I'm really happy about that. So next up what we're going to do, I'm going to throw my trade plate on it and take it for a quick drive up the road, and hopefully we don't have to push it home.